Welcome to our channel. Let's unlock the simple yet essential steps to log into your Monster for Employers account quickly and effortlessly. Welcome to our channel today. I'll walk you through a clear and professional step-by-step process to log into your Monster for Employers account. This guide is designed to help employers access their dashboard smoothly so they can focus on finding the best talent. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Monster for Employers website. Look for the login button, which is usually positioned prominently at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your registered email address associated with your Monster employer account. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors, as accuracy is key. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, simply click on the Forgot Password link just below the login fields. You will be guided through a secure password reset process by entering your email address or phone number linked to your account. After successfully entering your credentials, press the Login or Sign In button. Typically, you should see your dashboard loaded, which serves as your control center for managing job postings, applicant tracking, and other employer tools. In case you encounter any login issues, verify that your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page. Another useful tip is to clear your browser cache and cookies periodically to avoid login errors. If your account has been locked due to multiple unsuccessful attempts, Monster usually provides instructions on how to unlock or recover the account via the registered email. It's essential to keep your login information confidential and to log out from shared or public computers to maintain account security. Once logged in, explore the various features available. These include posting new job ads, reviewing applications, and managing communication with candidates. The dashboard is designed to simplify your recruitment process and give you control over each step of hiring. Remember, this simple flow will save time and reduce frustration, allowing you to focus on selecting the best candidates for your organization. Lastly, don't forget to bookmark the login page for quick access next time and set up alerts for important account notifications. Thank you for watching and learning the easiest way to log into Monster for Employers channel.